Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you how to make butter slime. So you can make like different types of slime. I'm just gonna make butter slime today and I'm gonna show you guys. So let's get started. You will need a bowl to mix your ingredients in with. You will also need Elmer's school glue. You need shaving cream, foaming hand soap, lotion for the clay, food coloring, mixing utensil, baking soda, contact lens solution, and Model Magic or Daiso clay. First, you need to get out a bowl so you can put your ingredients in it. Then, get your Elmer school glue out or any PVA glue and pour your desired amount into your bowl. Then put shaving cream in. This is optional, but I am putting this in because I'm going to make a fluffy slime base. Then put foaming hand soap in, but again, this is optional because this also makes your slime fluffy. I colored my slime blue with blue food coloring, but you can just leave it how it is. Now mix your ingredients with your mixing utensil until well combined. Now put your activator in. I will be using baking soda and contact lens solution, but you can use any other activator like borax and water or detergent. Now I'll be adding my contact lens solution to activate my slime. Your slime will start thickening up. That means it's coming together. Now I'm gonna mix and knead with my hands. You know when to mix and knead with your hands when your slime is coming off the side of your bowl. You know when your slime is ready when it comes off your hands. If it's too sticky, add more activator. If it's too hard, add more glue. Now get your clay out and your lotion. The lotion will help soften your clay up. Now put your softened clay into your slime base. I added lotion because my clay wasn't mixing in, so I thought it would make the clay easier to mix in. This is the finished product. Okay guys, so this was kind of a fail. I was gonna make butter slime, but the clay chunks weren't like going in and then I guess like dissolving, because you're supposed to add lotion, but there's really no lotion. So I think that's why, but it's kind of not a fail because it could be like a phloem. Like phloem is like crunchy, like beets. Well, not phloem actually, crunchy slime, because kind of like, because just like these little add-ins, which is the clay. So this slime is but kind of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and ding the bell to be the first people to watch my videos. And as always, Fresh Shades out.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of